How to buy an Etsy gift card online. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can easily purchase Etsy gift card online. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and simply head over to the Etsy. And now here, once you're inside the official website of Etsy, make sure that you're logged into your account. And here, once you see the interface like this, simply scroll down to the bottom and there you can see the option labeled as gift card under the shop. So simply click on it. And now here, once you are in the gift card section, you'll see an option to give the gift of Etsy. So here you can choose 20 euro, 50 euro, €100, €200, or you can even enter the custom amount anywhere between 25 euro to €250. And here you can also change the currency if you are the outsider, for example, to US, to GBD or AUD. And now here, once you're done with that, simply choose the delivery method. So here I'm going to simply choose the delivery method. And after that, if you scroll down, so here if you would like on the left hand side, you can also choose the card design, and there are various styles including the themes one like Christmas, birthday cards. And here, once you're done selecting the card, simply enter the recipient credential. And once you're done entering the credential, simply enter the sender name. And here, once you're done with everything, just click on buy it now or add to basket button. And after that, you'll be taken to the payment page. So here, simply select the card option, and here you just need to enter your card details, and after that you can simply review your billing info, and after that you can just click on continue with billing, and after that your Etsy gift card is ready to go. And that's it. That's how you can buy a gift card on Etsy. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.